rising kings and queens. My name is Maxim, also known as _Mommy Danelle on Instagram, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about the products that I use on my locks. I do use both natural and not so natural products, and by not so natural I mean like big corp brand name products, Shea Moisture, Cantu, and all of that jazz. I do use more of my natural products, which I'm going to talk about in this video, and I'm going to save the not so natural products for another video, just due to the fact that this video would be extremely long and I don't want to do that to you guys. So the first product that I am going to talk about is aloe vera juice. 97% or higher would be your best bet. I personally have 99.8, and the 0.2% that is not aloe vera is actually a preservative called sodium benzoate. It doesn't do anything to my locks. It doesn't make much of a, it doesn't give it a negative effect, basically, when it comes to the moisture or anything like that. It's like it's not even there, so it really doesn't bother me. Aloe vera conditions the scalp and has a lot of moisturizing properties. It helps with the follicles of your roots, which helps promote new growth, and it is very hydrating. There's little to no smell to it, and it also helps cleanse your locks, and it helps control dandruff. So even if you're loose natural and you're thinking about getting locks, or you already do have locks and you have an issue with dandruff, aloe vera won't, it won't cure the dandruff, but it will help control it, and it would help control the flaking of the dandruff from your scalp falling onto your locks or your hair. Because of the fact that it does help cleanse your locks, it also helps prevent buildup, which is amazing, and it also helps prevent breakage and tames really frizzy hair and locks. Frizziness is normal when you are in your teenage stage or when you are in the beginning of your lock journey, but sometimes frizziness could also be a sign of very dry locks. So having aloe vera is a big boost to your moisturizing routine. One last thing about aloe vera, it does help grow thicker locks, and I need to clarify on that because you might get the wrong idea. By growing thicker locks, I mean that you are basically helping initiate healthy new growth onto your scalp by spraying the aloe vera onto your scalp and onto your locks. Just because you have a thinning lock, let's say it's thick from the root, thin in the middle, and thick again, and you spray aloe vera onto your lock, doesn't, it's not miraculously gonna make your lock thick again. It's impossible. So healthy locks grow from the scalp. So if you nourish your scalp and you make sure that you're not clogging up the pores of your scalp, and you're putting very nutritious and healthy products onto your hair, you're going to get healthy, thick, and beautiful long locks. If you do have thinning locks, one of your best bets is to either snip it and start new. Not all the way, but at least snip until the thinning is gone. You could also either get a crochet hook, or you can combine your locks. But please do not tie your locks in knots. I've seen so many people do that, and their hair is just, it looks so unhealthy, and they're all bent, and it's not a good look. Please don't tie your knots on your locks. Please don't tie knots in your locks. When it comes to applying the aloe vera onto my scalp or onto my locks, I basically just put the aloe vera in a spritz bottle. I don't dilute it, and I add a little bit of essential oils onto my aloe vera, and I just spritz it on my scalp, massage, spritz it on my locks, and just comb it through with my fingers, and that's about it. It does not make my locks feel heavy. It's actually very light liquid. It resembles water. It's just something really good to have when it comes to moisturizing your locks and helping, just feeding it nutritious, earthy things rather than just chemically based products. Everything that you put on your scalp, everything that you put on your skin, your body's basically taking, I believe it's like 60% of that. So make sure that if you're going to feed or if you're going to put anything onto your scalp for your locks, or if you're going to put anything on your locks, make sure that for the most part what you're putting is easily absorbent, healthy, natural, plant-based things on your hair. Second product that I'm going to talk about is Jamaican black castor oil, one of my favorite oils to put on my scalp. So Jamaican black castor oil is a thick oil that helps thicken, strengthen, and promotes hair growth. Dark, thick oil also helps promote more blood flow onto the scalp, which is how your hair grows very, very quickly while using this oil. It also brings very valuable, nutritious nutrients into your follicles, and this is why your hair tends to get very thick and it looks very healthy and shiny. After my washes, I tend to also put Jamaican black castor oil onto my scalp due to the hard water. The hard water causes my hair to get really stiff, and it also makes it makes my scalp very, very dry. So I tend to put a little bit on my fingertips, and I just massage it onto my scalp, and it does help a lot when it comes to the dry cracking sensation that I get on my scalp. Another product that I use, this is what, the third? Yeah, this is the third one. I use olive oil. Olive oil is another great moisturizer that helps prevent dryness onto your locks. You could also use olive oil as a carrier oil and put some essential oils in there, such as lavender, that also helps promote hair growth, or peppermint, which boosts up the circulation of your scalp and also helps promote hair growth and prevents hair loss. One thing about olive oil that I do want to talk about, and that also goes for Jamaican black castor oil or for any thick oil if that matter, please do not apply it to your locks. Do not apply these thick oils to your locks, and I'm going to explain to you why. What absorbs these healthy oils and help promote beautiful locks is your scalp. It's your scalp. If you was to put oils on your locks, what's gonna end up happening is it's gonna turn into buildup, because your locks are already, it's out of your roots. Your hair doesn't grow from this. It grows from your scalp. So by you applying all these products onto your locks, you're just creating buildup. So much buildup. Put it on your scalp. Massage it on your scalp. Your scalp is skin. It's going to absorb it, and it's going to help promote that beautiful, healthy hair from the inside out. I'm going to talk about the essential oils that I use on my locks and on my scalp. So lavender. I like to use lavender because it does help deep condition the scalp, and it also helps control with dandruff. I personally don't suffer from dandruff heavily. Sometimes I do see that I have like these little white specks coming from my scalp, but that's usually in the winter time. I don't see it so much in the summer, but lavender is really, really good when it comes to that, so definitely always have it around. I also use rosemary and peppermint, which both help increase the blood flow to the scalp, which means it does help promote hair growth, and peppermint prevents hair loss. I don't suffer from hair loss, but it's always just good to have, and in case of, because you never know. Lemon helps purify and cleanse your locks and your scalp. I usually use lemon essential oils when I'm doing a big wash or a detox wash, such as ACV rinse, I mean. So yeah, the oil helps unclog the pores, and it helps nourish the hair follicles. It also acts as an antibacterial, so it's something that you should also put in an ACV rinse. Please, not so much. Just like literally 2 drops is all you need, because if you don't dilute it properly, it's going to burn you. And the last one that I use is Verteber, which helps collagen formation on your scalp. And it also helps bring your hair back to life, so it does help with volume. And Verteber is not like any other essential oil. It's actually dark in color and a little bit thicker. So I wanted to add the shampoo and the conditioner that I use in the second video about the Big Corp name brand products that I use. but I'm going to put it in this video due to the fact that so many people ask me about it, and like I said before, it does have natural ingredients in there. It's both, you know, natural and not so natural. So the shampoo and conditioner that I use, I want to tell you the exact name. So it's the Strengthening and Restore Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo by Shea Moisture. I'm gonna tell you right now that this shampoo has helped my hair grow, honey. It has really just made my hair grow. It's made it so much stronger. It's made it so much healthier and thicker. And one of the main reasons for that is because it does have Jamaican black castor oil in the shampoo. Not only does this shampoo cleanse my hair, but it helps tame with frizziness. Like I said before, it definitely made it thicker, definitely made it stronger. I love it. I honestly love it. It also contains shea butter, peppermint, and ACV, apple cider vinegar, in the shampoo. It has it in the shampoo, and that's one of the reasons why I believe it has worked so well on my hair, because it's so cleansing. Like, it has everything imaginable for thicker Jamaican black castor oil, fast growing, which is peppermint and Jamaican black castor oil, cleansing, the ACV rinse, nourishing, the shea butter. It's just perfect. It is great. I love it. When it comes to the conditioner, I like it because it is not like thick, goopy, creamy. It's creamy, but at the same time, once water hits it, it just turns into like mush. Like, it breaks down so easily. So when it comes to buildup, it's just not a thing, at least when it comes to my hair. And another thing that I also do like about these products is that it's not white in color. It's actually like brown, and then the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo, it's see-through, but it's brown as well, like a very dark brown. And I love that because the buildup is just not, there's no such thing as buildup when it comes to these two products within my hair. Yeah, the conditioner nourishes my locks, it softens my locks, it does not weigh my hair down. I don't use it all the time. I use it maybe once or twice every couple of months. Or if I do any type of color treatment on my hair, that's the first, well, not the first, but it's one of the last things that I put on my hair to help bring back that moisture and to make it look and feel much better. The last thing that I'm going to talk about is collagen, argan oil, and hyaluronic acid. And those are three things that I definitely do put in my hair. And three very important things that I feel that a lot of people have really no knowledge of and should know. Not only does it help your skin, but those three do help with your hair, and they do help with nails as well. So the hyaluronic acid acts like a fertilizer to the hair, which also can help increase hair growth, and can also help with the strand diameter of your hair, which means promoting thicker hair. The argan oil helps nourish your hair and helps soften your hair due to the antioxidants and the vitamin E that it has, and it also helps with the hair elasticity. Last but not least, it is collagen. Collagen helps strengthen the skin where your roots are, and of course we're talking about the scalp, which means healthy scalp, healthy skin, healthy hair. So I mix those three in a carrier oil of my choice. I use olive oil since it easily penetrates through the scalp. And then I add an essential oil of my choice. And then what I do is, while my hair is still damp, I massage, well, I spritz it on my hair, and then, well, not spritz, you know, I just put the oil on my scalp, and then I massage it into massage it into the scalp. And yeah, and then I go about my day. So that is it for all the natural products that I use on my locks. Hopefully I broke down everything pretty smoothly and you guys was able to understand everything well. If you guys have any concerns or questions, or even want to share with me what you use on your locks, use the comment section below. I would love to answer your questions or just chat it up, to be completely honest with you guys. This is in fact my first YouTube video on my channel, so if you did enjoy watching this and you feel like I'm knowledgeable enough to talk more about hair care and lock care, please subscribe and I'll make sure to, you know, put out more videos for you guys. Yeah, hope everyone has a very, very blessed day or a very blessed night, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.